everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today we're going to open the Happy Camper Mystery Box from Cricut. And I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's open her up. This box is heavy. I think I always say that, but this one really is. They always really are. So, yeah, let's see what's inside. Again, Happy Camper Mystery Box. Oh, there we go. Ooh, look at that sparkle. Okay, paper, t-shirts, and a Cricut Cutie in Pistachio. Let's put that one aside and take a look at her in a minute. First up is a large Cricut UNISEX blank t-shirt. This is polyester, I believe. Yep, polyester. 95% polyester, so great for infusible ink. Ooh, Cricut glitter gel pens in the color. Okay, this is the rainbow set. How pretty. Next we've got the Strong Bond. This has the little holes in it. It is iron-on glitter in silver. There's one 12 by 19 sheet. Very pretty. Then we've got infusible ink to use on our t-shirt. And it is the camper set. So that's why this is the Happy Camper. So this has Campin' Out. Campin' Out, Campin' Out. Okay, so these are marshmallows. There's the little flannel, trees, and campers. Very cute. Then we have cardstock, 12 by 12, 24 sheets in the sampler holiday. So we've got red, green, and beige. This is perfect. I mean, it's holiday colors, yes, but it's also camping colors. So this is perfect. So red, green, dark green, and a yellow beige. Very nice. Put that underneath. Then we've got Mixed Materials by Martha Stewart. 12 count, 12 by 12 premium vinyl removable, premium vinyl frosted, premium permanent cardstock transfer tape. Permanent cardstock transfer tape. And these are greens also. So perfect for the camping pages or cards. So we've got transfer tape at the end. It's not the stronghold transfer tape. So we have some people that have used the strong and wonder why their vinyl won't come off. So definitely don't use the strong unless you need it for glitter. And then another transfer tape. We've got some cardstock in cream, beige, green. So similar to the cardstock we already have. And then we have removable vinyl in white, removable vinyl in white again, permanent vinyl in gray, and permanent vinyl. It's kind of a gray silver. There we go. Yeah, silver. Yeah, especially on camera it looks silver because of that light. And then, caution, do not bend. This is a LIGHTGRIP 12 by 12 3-pack. So a couple mystery boxes ago we got a strong grip. No, a regular grip. We got the regular one. So this one is going to be the LIGHTGRIP. Okay, okay. So it is a 3-pack. 1, 2, 3. And then there is a piece of paper in here that says LIGHTGRIP machine mats, secure lightweight to medium weight material with soft release adhesive. Recommended materials are printer paper, so the stuff that would rip really easy, cardstock, iron-on construction paper and vinyl. So there you have it. Oh, I almost forgot to see what color is pistachio. Alright, let's see. Pistachio is obviously green, but what color green? Oh, she is adorable. And I don't have one like her, so that is super cute. Tell me what you think in the comment box below. But if you're watching this and I just released it today, definitely run, don't walk. Check out the link in my comment box below, see if they're still available, and jump on it and order some. Thanks for watching.